Welcome back, guys. I'm back in my garage working on my 86 Chevy. The other week I managed to remove most of the paint from the engine bay, do a bit of a welding or for the necessary welding help, and put a bit of a body filler. Today I'm gonna sand this body filler down, hopefully smooth everything out. Body shop that's supposed to paint my car failed me. They've had some equipment issues, and what they say now is I will have to wait a bit longer or just find someone else to do it for me. Said nothing for that as of yet, but I'm just browsing around for someone else to do it because you know I can appreciate shit happens, but I just don't like being let down by someone. So we'll see. There was no decision made about it yet, but that's in the future. Today let's focus on a engine bay. Let's jump in it. Let's begin now. There you go, guys. Engine bay, it's done now. Well, I say it's done, it's not done. Well, the epoxy primer is on it, which would be the first step of giving it a new color. I've oversprayed it this a bit because it will still have to be sanded down. So I don't really care about it that much at this point. The next step from here would be obviously sanding everything down, then the primer and the base coat and the lacquer. If you're planning to use an epoxy primer on your car or anything like that, make sure to wear a proper mask. I was wearing a mask only a cheap one, and it didn't do a good job. I feel horrible now, honestly. I feel like I've smoked a couple of packs of cigarettes. Guys, that is wrap for this week video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. My name is David, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Take care.